Welcome to the Silver Change Chronicles. This is a safe space where we believe finances don't need to be complicated. We're continuing our breakdown of checking accounts, so let's dive right in. Factors to consider when choosing a checking account. While researching accounts, it's important to consider which features are most important to you. Some factors to consider include physical locations versus online only. Do you need brick and mortar locations, or are you okay with getting help via email or on the telephone? Is the website easy to navigate? If it's a credit union, do you meet any potential minimum requirements? For example, are you affiliated with a particular school or employer? Do you live in a certain area? What sort of fees are involved, if any? Is it possible to avoid or waive them? What about mobile banking? Bill pay? Do they offer alerts or budgeting tools? What sort of ATM access is available? Is there a fee for using out-of-network machines? What are the overdraft policies? Is the account insured by the FDIC or Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation? The FDIC insures deposits up to $250,000 per depositor per bank. This protects your money if a bank fails. Credit unions are insured by the NCUA or National Credit Union Administration. What perks, if any, does the account offer? Is it interest-bearing? If so, what's the rate? Potential roadblocks. Can you be denied a checking account? Unfortunately, yes. The two most common reasons are 1, prior issues with a checking account, such as unpaid balances from overdrafts or NSF fees, and 2, being unable to provide sufficient ID at account opening. However, those are not the only reasons. If you were suspected of fraud or had a history of writing bad checks, you may be denied. Or if you had a joint account with someone that had these types of issues. You may be wondering, how does one bank even know about the account that was closed at another? They don't use credit reports. They use a few other consumer reporting systems, one of which is ChexSystems. ChexSystems is an agency that collects data on your banking habits. Their report details your banking history, including any overdrafts, account closures, and unpaid fees associated with your checking and savings accounts. Financial institutions use these reports to determine whether to approve you for a new account. You can actually request a free copy of your report every 12 months. Simply go to ChexSystems.com. If you find any errors, you can also dispute them there. Another agency that's often used is called E.W.S, or Early Warning Services. They help detect and prevent fraud associated with bank accounts and payment transactions. This company will also provide you with a free report every 12 months. Go to earlywarning.com to request your report. And please note that a bank closing your account isn't the end of the world, and it doesn't mean you'll never be able to get another checking account. It just means that for a little while, you may only be eligible for another type of checking account known as a second chance bank account. These accounts either don't check your ChexSystems reports, or if they do, they're willing to look past your previous issues. Second chance accounts give you an opportunity to access basic banking services. While some key features may be missing, you can use second chance accounts to rebuild your banking history and get back in the good graces of other financial institutions. As with anything, there are pros and cons to these accounts. Pros. Easy approval. It may be easier to get approved since ChexSystems isn't involved. Access to basic banking needs. You'll still typically get services such as direct deposit, a debit card, and ATM access. Can help you rebuild your banking history. Second chance accounts typically report to ChexSystems after your account is open. This can help you rebuild a positive banking history, and eventually you may be able to obtain a regular checking account. Cons. Limited services. You may not have access to things like overdraft protection. Monthly fees. Some accounts come with a monthly fee that may or may not be waivable. Not everyone offers second chance accounts, so your choices may be a bit limited. A few second chance accounts with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements are Capital One 360 Checking, Chime Second Chance Banking, and Vero Bank accounts. I encourage you to do your own research before opening an account with these or any other financial institutions. So, to sum it up, Checking accounts are designed for daily use and spending. Money is accessed with a debit card, checks, or withdrawn in cash. To open an account, you need a picture ID along with some basic personal information. Some banks may require secondary ID. Fees to watch out for include monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance fees, and ATM fees. There are many factors to consider before opening a checking account. If there's a roadblock to you opening a regular checking account, second chance accounts are available. If you're looking for a regular checking account, here are a few online banks to consider. They don't have monthly fees and there's no deposit required to open the account. As always, I encourage you to do your own research before opening any account. Zenlo Bank offers checking, savings, and money market accounts. Discover Bank Checking lets you earn cash back with qualifying debit card purchases. Chime offers a totally free checking account. And my personal favorite, Ally. Ally Bank offers checking, savings, money markets, and CDs. Well, that about does it for this episode. Stay tuned for our next one where we, of course, break down savings accounts. As always, if you learned one new thing, do me a favor and hit that like button. That lets me know that you're interested in this content and you want to see more of it. If you learned 2 new things, do me an even bigger favor by hitting that like button and telling a friend about us. That helps us grow and helps us reach more people. We hope to see you here again at the Silver Change Chronicles, where we believe finances don't need to be complicated.